In this video, I am sharing you my honest advice on how you can become a profitable forex trader. My cousin yesterday saw one of my videos and then he made some comments asking about boom and crash if I'm into it, and I told him no, not yet. Then he also asked that it called me later in the night by WhatsApp message asking that it seems that the secret of this forex is hidden from people by some other people, and they want them to pay before they can bring them to the inner circle and show them the secret. The issue is that it is an open secret. Forex is an open secret for anyone who cares to listen. All these people that you think that they are making money, they are doing this, they are doing that, they're just showing you some kind of lifestyle that may not be sustainable for you or for them. So he was saying that it's like they have a secret. Which secret do they have? If somebody is trading a dummy, is trading an account that is not a real account, a demo account, and then at the same time he's placing a trade for buy, he's trading a place for sell, and then when he sells very well, he makes that a screenshot of that or video of that, and he shows it to you, and he said this is what he did, whereas he did it too. And then this one is what work, and it shows you an advert, and then it's giving you lifestyle, rent clothes, rent this, rent that, and then it's taking photograph and showing you, taking videos and showing you that, oh, this is me in this, this is me in this, and then you pack your earned money. You are going to give the person to give you what and what. I have been in that shoe before, where I joined a signal provider. Sometimes when they tell you the signal, they won't tell you the trade alert like hours before you place the trade. They will just tell you that they have placed the trade already and it's going in profit. In fact, the time they place the trade, if you check that time that they gave you the signal, you will see that the trade have already moved away from that point. So that means they have been in the trade before they give you the signal. Is that how it works? No. A signal will have been seen. Then before you alert people, then together you see the trend, how it goes. Not that you're already in the trade. You're not telling me immediately to join the trade. That means if I miss it, you now say I'm the one that miss it. If I miss it for 1 hour, you see the trade have gone. No, it shouldn't be that way. A trade signal should be given, and it should take effect maybe 1 hour or 2 hours after. That is what they call a signal. That's what they call trade alert. You give me ahead. And these are what some of these people do. They have already entered the buy and the sell here. Then they see that the buy is being favored. Then they quickly come and say, let's post it too. They will now post it. If you check the lot size those people use, normally you are a new trader, a newbie with $100 account, 0.01. Somebody is now giving you signal and it's using 0.5, and he auto 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, like that. Or sometimes 1.5, because it's demo account, but they won't show you his demo. Then you go and say, this thing. You see the person immediately has already made $500 because it's using very high lot size. The one that is going against them, where they have made losses of like $1,000, they will not show you that one. Then they will show you the one where they are making profit, and you'll be wondering. If you follow them, you will lose money, because immediately you enter the trade, they will tell you that the trade have ended, that you should close it. Then you'll be held inside the trade, and you can blow your account by so doing. So this is what some of them do. Even if you enter, I paid for one of them like that for the signal. The same signal the individual was sharing in the free was the same signal the individual was sharing in the paid. I was surprised. I paid for 1 month. The same signal the person was sharing in the paid was the same signal the person was sharing in the free. And I was there for 1 month. I did not make any dime, because trade have already gone before you are calling the trade. Then before you know it, you're saying break even, you're saying this, is saying that. Analysis, yes, they can give you, they can tell you this one, they can tell you different things, all the names, all the jargons. But let it come to the main trade. They will not be giving you excuses. They will not be saying risk management. They will not be saying it's your fault. What? If you check my review of Euro USD, last week Monday and this week Monday from 6 to on the 6th, I made a Euro USD video. I say with the pin bar at weekly, clearly, I don't use unambiguous pains. I said with the pin bar at the weekly, you bearish pin bar, we should expecting a sell, and that is what is happening now. It did not really hold last week, even though last week I still made something out of the market based on that. This week it has played out clearly, selling. It may still buy again, but it will sell ultimately because it takes 5 days for that singular pin bar candle of about 3 weeks ago, bearish pin bar candle to form in the weekly. So definitely to be obeyed. And this is what we're talking about, the top-down analysis. This is what we're talking about, the higher time frame. That we should use the higher time frame in our analysis, and that is going to help us. So my honest advice for you, if you are just an upcoming forex trader or old timer and you have been losing money and you want to become profitable, is that we should target maybe 1% per day. 1% per day, and don't be trading every time. Once you get your 1%, get out of the market and don't enter the market until you see your setup. If you don't see your setup, don't enter the market. And the moment you see your setup, get out of the market. Make your 1% per trade or per day and get out of the market. If you make 1% per day in 20 days, which is the average trading days per month, you will have made 20%. And let me tell you, that 1% I talk about, sometimes you can make 2%, 3% in a day. But just target 1%. And the moment you make the 1%, get out of the market and close your chart and go away. The problem with people is that when they make that 1%, they stay in the market. They want to look for another setup immediately. Immediately, your mind is not settled. Why is your mind not settled? Because of the immediate profit you have made. So you close your chart, close everything, and leave the market. Let the market rest. Don't look at the chart again until maybe there's another event. After some time, after a few hours, your mind have settled down. You have digested 1% you have made. Then you can come back and look at things and see if you can find your setup. And then you go into the trade. Yesterday, I got a number of pips early in the morning yesterday, and the moment I got it, I said, wow, I'm okay with this. I'm surprised. I'm okay with this. I left based on my capital. What I made was quite about 2%, more than 2%, but not up to 30% in that singular trade. That is already, if I'm targeting 1% per day, that is already the percentage for 2 days. But some people will still stay there. They want to enter again. So that money they have made before, they lose it to the market. At the same point, when you lose any money, which have not happened to me in recent time, when you lose any money, don't stay put in the market. Close the trade and leave the market alone. Let the market breathe. Then come back later after you have settled down to enter another trade, a new trade based on your setup. Another thing is that I was telling somebody who is just learning Forex on Saturday that don't target buying a private jet or Ferrari by December. This is October. You just started trading Forex. Then you want to buy private jets from Forex with $100 account, with $50 account. You want to buy private jets by December. I told that you will blow your account. You will blow the account. You will blow the account and blow and keep blowing the account. The guys that were there said, December is this, December is that. They want to buy Christmas clothes. Don't target using Forex for anything. All you should do is just target 1% per day. Then when it has arrived, then you can withdraw your profit after a month, maybe 20%, and use it for whatever. But don't think that, with this Forex now, I will buy a car, I will buy this, I will buy that. And most people that were targeting these things, they have very little capital. So if your capital is $200, 1% of $200 is $2. It's $2. So what can you buy with $2? That's in a single trade. In a daily trade, $2, $2 times 20. that is $80. 2 times 20, that's $80 for your $200 account. That's what you can make it, but not in a hurry. It's not in a hurry. So that $280 in 1 month, you can build it now to $400 in 2 months. If you don't withdraw, you can build it like that. Gradually, you can build it. But if you think that from $200, you want to buy a Toyota Corolla by December, from October, that by December, you buy Toyota Corolla with $200 account, you will blow that $200 account. You will go and get more money. You will blow it again. You will get more. You will blow it. But if your mindset is that, wow, I just want to make 1% per day with this $200, in a day $2, in the following day $2 plus, in the following day, it will keep increasing, small, just 1 day. And once you achieve the 1 day, this, close the market and get out. The market oscillates. The market moves. So you cannot always get your move in the market. So when you study the market properly, it's like a trap for a rat. It's like you setting a trap for a rat. Once you set the trap for a rat, put the right things there, you leave the trap alone. It will catch the rat. It will catch the rat. The rat balances will go there, they want to feed. The same way, most times when I just wonder that, so this is how it is easy to make money in Forex, and people are running head-scatter about some things. Because those people don't wait and for their setup. Most people lose money because they want to double their account in one single trade. In one single day, they want to double their account. All these people telling you all that it is not sustainable. The sustainable one is just target 1% per day. 1% of what you have, of your balance, or of the money you have in the Forex trading, targets to make 1% profit per day, nothing more. And I'm telling you, you may be even making 2%, 3% sometimes, because you have to set a minimal goal. Your mind will be at rest to achieve it, and then you exceed it. So this is what I want to tell you. Don't think that, okay, with this Forex now, let me go and sell my this thing. Then money they gave you for school fees, or money somebody gave you to keep for him, and you're going to collect it in 1 week. You will now go and put it in Forex. Your mind will be jumping, because you're looking, mo fẹ́ double owó yìí kí n tó dá padà, mo fẹ́ double kí n tó dá. You will squander the money. But if your goal is that 1% in a day, maybe somebody borrowed you $500, 1% in a day, that's how much? $5 from $500. The following day, $5. The following day, $5. That's how you build it. Sometimes you may trade, some days you may not trade. The market will make a noise. Don't mind the noise. Just target your target and get out of the market. You cannot always see your setup. If you want to, you cannot beat the market. The market will beat you. So what you do is that you have to be systematic. Just come in and get out. And sometimes you may need to hold your trade for a number of days. If it's only one trade you have set and you are targeting just 5%, it will not be difficult for you to hold trade for 2 days, or for 3 days, or for 4 days. And eventually it's going to go in your direction. So this is what I have to say to you at this moment. If you have any question or comment for me, ask in the comment section below. I want to thank Lala Laoye. She's a member on this channel, and she bought me coffee. So that's why I'm mentioning her name. So if you also buy me coffee, which I encourage, just click below the video on YouTube here and click join, or search for something like that there. You click on it, and then to give you different option, and then you can pay with your debit card, and then you can buy me coffee. Until I come your way in the next one, ask your question, subscribe, like, share, and keep coming back for more. I'll see you in the next one. Please watch more of my videos. I'm on a series teaching you how to trade Forex and giving you Forex advice at this time. Until we see in the next one,